Hello, today we will guide you through how to trade in XM using laptop. To begin, open XM on your laptop and make sure you are on the main member area or trading dashboard. Starting from the main platform view helps you navigate smoothly and makes it easier to find the trading tools you need. If the page takes a moment to load, give it a few seconds so all menus and panels appear properly before moving on. Once you are inside XM, look to the left-hand side of the screen for the navigation menu. In that menu, click on Market. This section is where XM lists the available instruments you can explore and trade. Using the left navigation is the quickest way to move into the trading area, especially if you are working from a laptop and want a clear full-screen view of the platform. After the market page opens, select a sample symbol. A symbol is the asset or instrument you want to trade, such as a commodity, currency pair, or another available market product. Take a brief moment to make sure you are clicking the correct symbol, because the symbol page is where you will review the trading option before placing an order. On a laptop, it can help to keep your cursor steady and wait for the page to fully switch before continuing. When the symbol page opens, go to the top right panel and choose either buy or sell. Buy is typically used when you expect the price to move up, while sell is used when you expect the price to move down. This is an important decision, so make sure you are selecting the direction you intend before continuing. The top right panel is usually designed to keep these options visible and easy to access. After choosing buy or sell, click on place order. This action moves your trade forward and prepares it for final review. At this stage, it is a good idea to quickly check the order details shown on the screen, just to ensure everything matches your intention before the trade is submitted. Finally, click on confirm order. This is the last step that sends your trade through on the platform. Once confirmed, your order should be placed successfully, and the platform will typically show that the trade has been executed. And that's the complete process for trading in XM using a laptop. Move carefully through each screen, pay attention to the symbol and trade direction you choose, and always review the order before confirming it.